Hello friends, this is Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel Vivek Mathematics Classes. In last two videos we have discussed about previous year JEE Mains question. In next two videos we are going to discuss about previous year JEE Advanced questions. Suppose A, B, C are in AP, A square, B square, C square are in GP, and A is less than B, B is less than C, and we have given A plus B plus C is 3 by 2. Okay. They have given A, B and C are in AP. Okay. Let's say I will take let A equal to some A plus D, capital A plus A minus D. Three numbers I will take like this: A minus D, A and A plus D. So B I will take as A and C I will take as A plus D. Okay. Next, what they have given, they are saying A square, B square, C square are in GP. So A square, B square and C square are in GP. So we can apply GP rule. Square of middle term, it means B to the power 4 will be equal to product of other two, A square, C square. We know all the values, we will substitute here. Okay. So what will be this one? A to the power 4 will be equal to A square means A minus D the whole square, and here A plus D the whole square. So here we will get as A to the power 4 we will get A square minus D square the whole square. Okay, let's say this one we are getting equation number 1. Next, what they have given, they have given A plus B plus C is 3 by 2. A plus B plus C equal to 3 by 2. So we will substitute here. A value is what? A minus D plus A plus A plus D. So D will be cancelled out. This will be equal to 3 by 2. It means 3A will be 3 by 2. It means A value will be 1 by 2. A will be 1 by 2. A value we are getting 1 by 2. What we will do? We will substitute this A value in the equation number 1 and we will get D value. Substitute here. So what we will get? 1 by 2 power 4 will be equal to 1 by 2 square minus D square the whole square. Okay. So this one we will get 1 by 4 minus D square the square will be equal to 1 by 16. So if you take a square root, you will get 1 by 4 minus D square will be what? Plus minus 1 by 4. Plus minus 1 by 4. So from here we will find D square value. So D square will be equal to 1 by 4 and this side will become plus minus 1 by 4. Okay. So D square will be equal to, D square will be either it will be 0 or 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 if you take, or 0. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 0 is not possible. So we will take, because they are saying B is greater than A. That's why 0 is not possible. So we will take D equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. D square will be 1 by 2. D square will be 1 by 2. So D will be plus minus 1 by root 2. So what they are asking? A value. A is what? A minus D. Okay. So small a will be capital A minus D. Capital A is what? 1 by 2 minus D is what? Plus minus 1 by 2. So plus minus 1 by root 2. So either A will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 or A will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Any one of these. So we will check here. D part will be your answer. We will move to next. An infinite GP has first term x and sum will be, okay, what is the sum of infinite GP? S infinity will be a divided by 1 minus r. Here a value they have given x divided by, and here s infinity they have given 5 equal to 1 minus r. Okay, so they are asking interval of x. Okay, from here what you will get, x will be equal to 5 into 1 minus r, 5 into 1 minus r. We know that what we know, for infinite term r should vary from -1 to 1, -1 to 1. So we will try to find out the interval of x. So what about minus r? Minus r will also vary from -1 to 1, -1 to 1. Okay, in this if you add 1 both sides, all the sides, so you will get 1 minus 1 less than 1 minus r, and this will be less than 1 plus 1. So here you will get 0 less than 1 minus r, and this will be 2. Now in this you have to multiply by 5. So this will be 0 less than 5 into 1 minus r, and this will be 10. It means this is our x value. It means x will vary from 0 to 10. This will be your answer. 0 to 10, C part. Next. In the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, delta is b square minus 4ac, and alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube are in GP. Okay, alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square, and alpha cube plus beta cube. These three numbers are in GP. These three numbers they have given in GP, where alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Okay, so what can we write? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, and alpha into beta will be what? C by a. Whenever we will need, we will use this. Okay, if these three numbers are in GP, then what can we write? Square of middle one. It means alpha square plus beta square, the whole square, will be equal to alpha plus beta into alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, so we will multiply this. Here a plus b whole square formula, alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 plus 2 alpha square beta square will be equal to alpha to the power 4 plus alpha beta cube plus beta alpha cube plus beta to the power 4. Alpha to the power 4 and beta to the power 4 will be cancelled out. So this is 4. So what we will get here? We will get, I will bring everything to one side. Otherwise 2 alpha square beta square minus alpha beta cube minus beta alpha cube will be 0. Okay. So from this will be same. This will be 2 times of alpha beta the whole square minus, in this what can we take common? Alpha beta we can take common. We will get beta square minus, plus alpha square. This will be 0. Now this beta square plus alpha square, what can we write? This will be 2 alpha beta the whole square minus alpha beta into, this one I will write as a plus b whole square. It means alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 0. So what we will get? We will get 2 alpha beta the whole square minus alpha beta common, and here what we are getting? Okay, we can substitute all the values directly. So here what we will get? 2 times of alpha beta we know, c by a, so c square by a square minus c by a bracket, here b square by a square minus 2 times of c by a. This will be 0. So here we will get 2c square by a square minus, if you multiply this, what you will get? We will get as b square c divided by a cube minus minus what you will get, sorry, minus minus plus 2c square divided by a square, 2c square divided by a square, and this will be equal to 0. So what will be our LCM? LCM will be a cube. So here what can we write? We can write as a you have to multiply here, so we will get 2ac square minus b square c plus 2ac square. Okay, and this will be 0. So what you will get? You will get minus b square c plus 4ac square divided by a cube will be 0. So this a cube you can multiply here, we will get 0. So what we will get? We will get minus b square c plus 4ac square will be 0. So if I will take minus c common, what we will get? We will get b square minus 4ac will be 0. It means this will be c minus c into delta will be 0. Otherwise c delta will be 0. This will be our answer. C part. Next, the sum of first n terms of the series. Okay, what is the series? We need to find Sn. What will be our Sn? 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8 plus 15 by 16 and so on up to n terms. Okay, so this 1 by 2, what can we write? 1 minus 1 by 2 plus this 3 by 4 we can write 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 8 also we can write 1 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 minus 1 by 16 up to n terms. It will come. Okay, this will be our Sn. So what will get our Sn? 1, if you see the first term of each bracket 1, so 1 will come n times, so we will get n minus, from each bracket I will take minus common, so sorry, from other terms I will take minus common. You will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 up to n terms. What is this? This is a GP with first term as 1 by 2 and common ratio also 1 by 2. So we will apply here sum of GP formula. So we are getting Sn equal to n minus a into 1 minus r. R is what? 1 by 2 to the power n divided by 1 minus r. So this 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. This will be cancelled out. So we are getting Sn equal to n minus 1 and plus 1 by 2 to the power n. So this Sn we can write as n minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus n. This will be our answer. N minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus n. N minus, mistake is there in this, minus n should be there. This will be our answer. Printing mistake. Okay, next. Fifth one. Consider an infinite GP with first term a and common ratio r. If the sum is 4, it means S infinity they have given as 4. S infinity they have given a by 1 minus r value they have given as 4. And second term 3 by 4. It means AR value they have given as 3 by 4. Okay. From here what can we write? A value. A value we can write as 3 by 4r. We will substitute here. So here we will get as A will be equal to 4 into 1 minus r. Substitute here A value. So we will get as 3 by 4r will be equal to 4 into 1 minus r. Multiply this. 3 will be equal to 16r minus 16r square. So what we will get? We will get 16r square minus 16r plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, 16 into 3, 48. 48 you have to bring as 16. 48, 12 plus 4, yes. So we will write 16r square minus 12r minus 4r plus 3 will be 0. So what can we take common? 4r we can take common. You will get 4r minus 3. Minus 1 if you take common, 4r minus 3 will be 0. It means 4r minus 3 and 4r minus 1 will be equal to 0. So what you will get r value? R will be 3 by 4 or r will be 1 by 4. Okay, if r would be 3 by 4, then what will be a value? A we got 3 by 4r. We will substitute here. So here what you will get? 3 by 4r. So we will get a will be equal to 3 by 4 into 3 and here 4 will come. So it will be cancel out, 1 will come. So for this, if r will be 1 by 4, what will be a? 3 by 4 by r. R will be what? 1 into 1 by 4. This will be cancel out. So a will be 3. Any one of this case will be your answer. Either this or this. Okay, we'll check. A value they have given 3. 3, yes, 3 and 1 by 4. R will be 1 by 4. It means D part will be your answer. D part will be your answer. Next. Find 3 numbers A, B, C between 2 and 18. Okay, in between 2 and 18 you have to find A, B and C. Okay, such that their sum is 25. It means A plus B plus C should be 25. This will be our equation number 1. Second thing, the number 2, A, B are in AP, consecutive terms of AP. So what can we write? 2A will be equal to B plus 2. So it means A will be what? B plus 2 by 2. This will be our equation number 2. Next, what we have given? The number B, C and 18 are in GP. Okay, we will apply this also. B, C, 18. These 3 numbers are in GP. So what can we write? Square of middle term, it means C square will be 18 into B. This will be our equation number 3. Okay, what we will do? We will substitute this 2 and 3 in equation number 1. So we will get as A plus B plus C equal to 25. Substitute here A, B, C value. A is what? B plus 2 by 2. Plus B will be 1. Plus C will be root of 18. Root of 18B. And this will be equal to 25. So if you take LCM, LCM will be 2. You get B plus 2 plus 2B plus this will be 2 root 18. What can we write? 3 root 2. 2 into 3 into root 2B. Okay, and this will be 25. So 2B plus B will be 3B plus 2 plus 6 root 2B, and this will be equal to 50. 25 into 2. So what we are getting? 3B plus 6 root 2B, 6 root 2B, and minus 48 will be 0. What can we take common? 3 we can take common. So B plus 2 root 2B, so 2 root, this will be in square root 1 into root B. Okay, and minus if you divide this, 16 will be 0. So let's say I will take, this is b, let root of b will be some x. So what can we write? b, x square plus 2 root 2x minus 16 will be 0. So this 16 you have to factorize as 16, 4 and 4, but we need to bring 2 root 2. So this one I will factorize again. This one root 2 and 2 root 2. This one. Yes. 4 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will be 2 root 2. So I will write here x square plus 4 root 2x minus 2 root 2x minus 16 will be 0. So if you take x common here, x plus 4 root 2 minus 2 if you take common, sorry, minus 2 root 2 if you take common, x plus 4 root 2 will be 0. So what we are getting here? We are getting as x plus 4 root 2 into x minus 2 root 2, and this will be 0. Okay, from here we will get x will be minus 4 root 2 or x will be 2 root 2. So if x will be minus 4 root 2, so root b will be minus 4 root 2. So this b will be 4 square 16 into 2 will be 32. And from here what we will get? Root b will be 2 root 2. So b will be 8. b is 32 is not possible because they are saying sum of this number is 25 only. So b we can't take 32. So b will be 8. So next what will be a value? A will be b plus 2 divided by 2. Substitute here. So this will be 8 plus 2 divided by 2. This will be 5. A value we are getting 5. And C value is what? Root of 18b. So here root of 18 into 8. So this one we can write root of 9 into 16. So root of 9 will be 3 into 4. C value we are getting as 12. C value will be 12. So we are getting A value will be 5, B will be 8 and C will be 12. Yes, sum of these three numbers are 25. Correct.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to motivate me for making many more videos. Please write your views and suggestions in comment section of the video. Thank you once again.